Hey filmic, Chung here. In this video we're going to use this anamorphic setup on this GoPro Hero 7 Black. So let's look at the footages. So the first thing I need to talk about is this lens. This is the 1.33x anamorphic lens from Soligor, and this has a 52mm thread on the back. So it actually fits on a lot of these metal cages that you can put your GoPro in. And yeah, combining it looks like this, and it actually looks very cool. However, the downside is the GoPro Hero 7 actually has a super wide field of view. Even using the 2.7K linear, it still is too wide. So you still get like black bars on the left and right, or actually extreme vignetting. However, that isn't a real big downside if you aren't going for 2.7K or 2.5K output, or if you are using for 1080p. But if you are actually filming 4K for 4K, that would be of course an issue. So this lens, or this anamorphic lens, has a actual field of view for like a 28mm lens on a full frame. So this lens of the GoPro Hero is going to be overly wide for it. So the thing is, what I did was I stretched the footage out to the 1.33 crop, and that made it cover of course the 2.5K. You do get like a resolution loss, but also looking at all the footages, it doesn't look like much more cinematic or filmic or more professional. And also trying to get like any close-up shots, you can't really get it because yeah, the GoPro of course has a fixed aperture and it doesn't really focus automatically. So it doesn't focus on anything close, just focus to infinity. So from a certain distance, very close up, things will get out of focus. And also you can't do any close focus to any subjects to get like a blurred background. So basically everything you shoot is in focus all the time. And another downside of course is you can't really get much lens flare, and lens flare doesn't look as great as when I use this lens, this anamorphic lens, on the phone. So personally, I don't feel like using this lens on the GoPro actually gets you much out of it, and actually you lose quality. Also you lose the wide field of view of the GoPro, and also yeah, you're lessening the resolutions. But yeah, if you look at the footages, you can determine for yourself, does the footage look nicer or not. So the main thing, yeah, I don't see really the use of using this lens on the GoPro. And yeah, next time I'm actually going to use this lens on my Panasonic GH5 and see how that would work. So hope you guys found this video quite interesting, and if you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.